Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Virtuix Omni One VR Treadmill. Looking for an invention that can take your VR gaming to the next level, or something that can let you move freely and naturally in any direction in virtual world? That will be the Virtuix Omni One VR Treadmill, the most advanced VR movement solution. The Omni One is a revolutionary device that lets you walk, run, and move in any direction in VR. It's compatible with most PC VR headsets and games, and it's easy to set up and use. With the Omni One, you can explore, fight, and play in VR without any wires or boundaries. In fact, it can even detect if you crouch or kneel, as you're probably known to do during your games. Furthermore, the Virtuix Omni has a diameter of only 4 feet, so it won't take up much space in your home, and you don't have to worry about getting hurt because you strap yourself into the vest first, as you can also enjoy the benefits of physical exercise while having fun. AI-1 Airbag Vest. Riding a motorcycle is an exhilarating and liberating experience, but it also comes with risks and dangers, as every year, thousands of riders suffer from serious injuries or even death due to crashes. But what if there was a way to prevent these injuries? Or what if there was a device that could sense when a crash is happening and cushion the impact? That device is AI-1 Airbag Vest, the industry's most advanced wearable anti-fall device. AI-1 Airbag Vest is a smart garment that uses an intelligent algorithm to monitor the body movements and detect falls. It has 30 micro actuators embedded in the fabric that inflate airbags in 0.08 seconds when a fall is detected. It also has a wireless connection to a smartphone or a control station that sends alerts to caregivers and emergency services. AI-1 Airbag Vest can protect you in street riding, off-road riding, racing, or touring. It can protect the head, neck, back, hip, and pelvis from injuries caused by falls. It can also reduce the fear of falling and improve the confidence and independence of the riders. Dräger Mine Refuge Chamber. Did you know mining is one of the most dangerous occupations in the world? Every year, hundreds of miners lose their lives or suffer injuries due to accidents such as explosions, fires, floods, or collapses. In these situations, time is critical. Miners need to find a safe place to wait for rescue, or they may face suffocation, poisoning, or hypothermia. That's why Dräger has developed the Mine Refuge Chamber, a life-saving solution that can protect miners from the harsh conditions underground. The chamber is a self-contained unit that can be installed in any location within the mine. It has a robust steel structure that can withstand high temperatures and pressures. It is equipped with an air purification system that removes carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and other harmful gases from the air. It also has a cooling system that maintains a comfortable temperature inside the chamber. The chamber can provide oxygen, water, food, and medical supplies for up to 36 people for several days. InfraStar Infrared Vacuum Bike. How about you could shape your body, burn fat, and detoxify your system using the power of vacuum, heat, cold, and oxygen to boost your metabolism and performance? Well, there is an invention known as InfraStar Infrared Vacuum Bike that can make it possible. It is one of the most advanced fitness solutions. This bike is a smart invention that can be used in any indoor space. It has a reclined seat and pedals that allow you to exercise comfortably. It also has a capsule that covers your lower body and creates a vacuum resistance. The capsule has infrared lamps that heat your body and increase sweating. But that is not all, as it provides a cryotherapy system that cools your body and reduces inflammation. This invention is equipped with oxygen mask that delivers pure oxygen to your lungs, as the bike can be used for different goals and preferences, such as weight loss, body shaping, detoxification, or rehabilitation. Whether you want to lose inches, tone muscles, remove toxins, or heal injuries, InfraStar infrared vacuum bike can help you achieve it. Lift aircraft hexa. Imagine an invention that lets you soar in the sky like a bird and can take off and land vertically without a runway. That invention is Lift Aircraft Hexa, which is the most accessible flying solution. This drone-like invention is a sleek and futuristic vehicle that can be carried and deployed in minutes. It has 18 electric motors and propellers that provide stable and controlled flight. It also has a joystick and a touchscreen that allow the user to fly with simple gestures. It can be used as a mode of transportation or simply for tourism, recreation, and exploration. Whether you want to see the sights, have fun, discover new places, or commute faster, Lift Aircraft Hexa can make it happen. With this invention, you can also protect the environment by using an electric motor that produces zero emissions and noise. And most importantly, you can have fun and enjoy the thrill and freedom of flying. Niostem. Hair loss is a common problem that affects millions of people around the world. It can cause low self-esteem, stress, and depression. But what if there was a way to reverse hair loss and regrow your hair naturally? Or a device that could reactivate your hair stem cells and trigger follicle growth? That device is Niostem, the industry's first device to regrow hair in 6 months. It is a smart device that can be worn on your head like a cap. It uses low-level bioelectrical stimulation to reawaken the dormant hair stem cells in your scalp. It also has a wireless connection to a smartphone app that monitors your progress and adjusts the stimulation intensity. It can be used for any hair type, from straight to curly, from thin to thick, from black to blonde. It can stop hair loss and increase hair density by an average of 19.3% in 6 months. It can also improve your hair quality and texture by making it stronger and healthier. Orba 2. Making music and beats can be fun, but what if you could make your music with your hands, by touching, tapping, and tilting a device to create sounds and songs? Or what if you could use a device that is small, smart, and easy to use? That device is Orba 2. This is a palm-sized device that has 8 touch-sensitive pads that respond to your fingers. It also has a built-in speaker, a headphone jack, and a USB-C port. It can play any sound in the world, from pianos to drums, from guitars to synths. You can also record your own sounds or import them from your phone or computer. Orba 2 can be used for any music genre, from classical to rock, from jazz to pop. You can switch between 4 modes: drum, bass, chord, and lead. You can also loop your sounds and add effects with gestures like shake, spin, or vibrator. You can control the tempo, volume, and pitch with the app or the device itself. Viking Lifecraft. Being stuck in the middle of the ocean with a broken ship can never be fun. There is now a solution to save you, and it's known as the Viking Lifecraft. This invention is a new type of evacuation system for cruise and ferry passengers. It combines the features of a lifeboat and a life raft, and can hold up to 812 people in 4 self-propelled units. The Viking Lifecraft can be stored on deck or in the ship's side, and can be launched quickly using a chute. It is powered by electric thrusters, which give it high maneuverability and stability in rough seas, as it can withstand any kind of waves and weather, with the singular goal of taking you back to safety. Kafon ball. Landmines are a deadly threat that affects millions of people around the world. They can kill or injure anyone who steps on them, and they can remain active for decades. But what if there was a way to clear landmines without risking human lives? Or what if there was a device that could use the power of nature to destroy these hidden dangers? That device is Kafon ball, the industry's most innovative demining solution. This ball is a large and lightweight device that looks like a giant dandelion. It has a metal core surrounded by bamboo sticks with plastic feet. It can be carried by the wind and roll over the landmine fields. When it encounters a landmine, it triggers the explosion and sacrifices itself, saving lives and creating a safe path. It can work in different terrains and climates, from deserts to mountains, from dry to wet, and it can also raise awareness and inspire action against the landmine problems by reducing the need for manual demining and maintenance. Hytrans HydroSub. Water is essential for fighting fires, but sometimes it is hard to access or transport it. So what if there was an invention that could pump water from any source such as rivers, lakes, or oceans, or be able to deliver water over long distances and high pressures? That invention is Hytrans HydroSub, the industry's most efficient water supply solution. This creation consists of a diesel-powered hydraulic power pack and a portable submersible floating pump. The pump can be placed in any open water source up to 60 meters away from the power pack. The pump can produce up to 45,000 liters per minute at 12 bars pressure. Hytrans HydroSub can be used for various fire scenarios, such as recycling plants, oil and gas facilities, chemical industries, and large storage areas. It can work with water, foam, or a water foam mixture. It can also be connected to other devices, such as hoses, monitors, or sprinklers. Crowd-friendly robotic wheelchair. Technology can now assist us to do virtually everything in today's world. So for people with disabilities, moving around in crowded places can be challenging and stressful, as conventional wheelchairs are not designed to cope with dynamic and complex situations, and they require constant attention and manual control from the user. The crowd-friendly robotic wheelchair is a revolutionary invention that can make mobility easier and safer for people with disabilities. The wheelchair is equipped with sensors and cameras that allow it to perceive and react to its surroundings. It can also communicate with the user and other people through a screen and a speaker. This invention has 3 modes of operation: manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. In manual mode, the user can control the wheelchair with a joystick or a voice command. In semi-automatic mode, the user can set a destination or a direction, and the wheelchair will follow it while avoiding obstacles. In fully automatic mode, the wheelchair will plan and execute its own path based on the user's preferences and the environment. Labfresh. Laundry is a chore that no one likes to do. It wastes time, energy, and money. It also wears out your clothes faster and harms the environment. But what if you could wear your clothes for days without washing them? Or what if you could keep them clean and fresh no matter what? That's what Labfresh can do for you. This is a line of smart clothing that uses patented technology to repel stains, odors, and wrinkles. It has shirts, t-shirts, polos, sweaters, and more. It uses premium materials that are recycled and made in Europe. It also has a sleek and timeless design that suits any occasion. Labfresh can be used for any situation and activity, from work to leisure and from travel to sports. Whether you spill coffee or sweat a lot, Labfresh can handle it. You can wear the same shirt for a week without washing it. You can also iron it less or not at all. Fingertip-powered wearable. What if you could power your gadgets with your own sweat and touch? Or you could turn your finger into a source of energy for small electronics and sensors. The device that can help you do this is the Fingertip-powered wearable, the first device to harvest energy from human sweat and finger presses. This is a smart invention that can be worn on your fingertip like a Band-Aid. It uses an innovative material that reacts with the chemicals in human sweat to produce small amounts of electricity. It also uses a piezoelectric layer that converts the mechanical force of finger presses into electrical energy. Fingertip-powered wearable is not just a device, it's a solution. By using this invention, you can save energy and money by reducing the need for batteries and chargers. You can also protect the environment by using a renewable and green source of energy. And most importantly, you can have fun and enjoy the convenience and creativity of having a device that can power anything you want. Dronebrella. When we want to enjoy the outdoors, we constantly worry about the weather. But what if this was a thing of the past by having an umbrella that flies above our head and shields us from rain or sun? That is where Dronebrella come in. This is the first self-flying umbrella. It is a futuristic-looking device that can be controlled by your smartphone or by itself. It has a camera and a sensor that allow it to track your location and movements. It also has a propeller and a battery that enable it to fly and rotate according to the wind direction. Dronebrella can be used for any occasion and activity, from work to leisure, from travel to sports. Whether you want to walk your dog, go for a picnic, watch a game, or explore a new place, Dronebrella can make it more comfortable and enjoyable. (24K UPI Invisible Watch). Are you a student and want to cheat in any exam without getting caught? Or you want to access any information you want on your wrist? With a simple device that looks like a regular watch but has a hidden feature, all that is now possible. Introducing 24K UPI Invisible Watch, the first device to display invisible content. This is a smart invention that can be worn on your wrist like a normal watch. It has a 1.5-inch invisible screen that looks dark to everyone else but shows text, photos, and videos to you. It also has a special pair of glasses that allow you to see the content on the screen. 24K UPI Invisible Watch can be used for any exam, from math to history, from science to language. You can upload unlimited text and 4 GB of photos and videos to the watch via USB. You can also sort your files into chapters for faster and easier navigation. The watch has a text auto-scrolling function that lets you read without touching the watch.